save your life, it's showtime! I'm always looking for a product that can reduce the number of the products I carry with me, so I can save space in my backpack. And today this product is doing this. It's the Sahara Sailor Tactical Pen. So let's open the box. Let's remove this part. Sahara Sailor. We have the pen, extra refill for your pen, and 2 batteries. Let's check if this tactical pen really works. The pen comes with the black color and it's really good to write. On the top you have the flashlight. Here you have the glass breaker. Here you have the bottle opener. Here's the knife. Here is one extra tool. Here you have the serrated edge. This tactical pen is made with really good material. And I think one of the tools I use more is the bottle opener. The LED of the flashlight is really strong. The glass breaker really works. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check the link in the description. We have this tactical pen, the giveaway. Like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.